Okay, so we're going to try and solve this system. So, remember where you go to enter in equations, y equals. Clear out the old stuff, and now 3/4 x plus 25 is my first one, and then negative 100 x plus 75. You could go ahead and hit graph and hope that you see something, but
I did that and nothing happened.
okay,
No bueno.
I have that. Yeah, so I want to see where I can't even see my other line. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to zoom out until I can see it. So let's go ahead and hit zoom, and then if you choose choice 3, that's zoom out. Now at first glance it looks like it's exactly the same. That's because it is. But if you hit enter, you will see that you have begun to zoom out. Now it's actually, I think my second line is there, but it's so steep that you can't even see it. Like it's so close to this. Yeah, so your second line is actually there. I don't know if you, because remember when I was, look at how it was. So I started out, see how steep this one line is? It's really, really, really close to the y-axis. So when I zoom out, it's still there. It's just I've zoomed out so much I can't even see that there's a space in between them anymore. So when you zoom out, you see, okay, now I see my second line. By the way, if you need to keep zooming out, once the graph is done graphing, you can just hit enter again and it'll zoom out again. Look right here. See that little, there's this little bar over here that's like a progress bar. See it? Do you see what I'm talking about on my screen? So while that's going, it's like don't touch anything because the graph is graphing. Look right here where the pen tip is. See how it's scrolling, scrolling, scrolling? That's like, hey, I'm working here. Don't touch anything. If you touch something, look what happened. See how it turned into like these dots? I paused it. So I can't tell you how many times kids are like, my calculator's broken. I'm like, no, you paused it. Don't pause it. You unpause it by hitting enter. So, any Hoosers, we were here. And then we zoomed out one time. Bless you. Okay, now I'm just going to find the intersection points, same way I just did. Second calc, choice 5, enter, enter, enter. There it is. Did you get the same thing I got? You did? Okay, let's try one more. Second calc, choice 5, enter, enter, enter.
Wait, how do you get like into plot one? Like into the line square?
You put your arrow key up to it and hit enter to unblock it off and then come back down. Okay, let's try one more. Let's try, all right, I have no idea where these are going to cross, but there's your 2. Tomorrow on your quiz, you could expect to have questions just like this.
How many?
Oh, I don't know. But this is all we did yesterday. So if you got these 3, that's pretty much it. And then plus what we do today. So I don't know what these people that are in here today are going to do tomorrow. They'll have to do it by hand. Or perhaps they will watch our video and come prepared. I don't know. We can only hope. All right, did you type them in? So, if you hit graph, remember it's set to the last graph that you just had. So all I see is a little tiny piece of one graph. You may not even see any of it. Depends where you are. So I need to keep zooming out until I can see something. So I'll do zoom, choice 3, and then I hit enter. Ooh! I got my 2 lines.
Wait. Mine gave me. Wait. I'm confused. What do we do after we hit graph?
Can you see both lines?
Yeah.
Then find the intersection. Yep. I guess. What have you? Do you even know how to do this?
Yeah, you just did it.
Oh my gosh. Okay, ready? Once you have your 2 graphs, you just hit second, the calc menu, choice 5, enter, enter, enter. There it is.
No lines are coming up on mine.
Wow. I'll fix yours in a minute. So, check yours. Did you get negative 114.4, comma, negative 31.5?
Wait, what do you hit? You hit second, and then the trace one.
Yeah, choice 5.
Oh,
And then-
trace 5.
Yeah.
Alright.
And then enter 3 times. So, if you did not get the same thing that I got, go back to y equals. Make sure that your y equals looks exactly like mine. Does it? Haven, did you hit y equals? And make sure that it looks like mine?
Yeah, it looks like them. When I press enter, when I press graph, no lines are coming up.
Zoom out. You have that zoom choice 3. Yeah.
Mine just says y equals 0 and x equals 0, but there's no line.
Zoom out again. Yep.
It's the same thing.
Bring your calculator up here and you do the same thing. Hit the button that you want.
This is what I get for a graph. I have all the numbers.
Mine just goes invalid.
Did you zoom out? Look, I got one. I'll zoom out again. You do have something's wrong. I think you missed a negative. It's positive 4.6. That should work.
Thank you.
Oh. Oh. There's a plot that's on. That's not supposed to be on. Step 1. Turn any plots that are on off. Now you should be good to go. Oh.
I'm just not looking at that. Mine looks like this.
You just didn't zoom out. Oh my gosh.
What's wrong with mine?
You probably didn't zoom out either. Oh. And you have another mistake, I think.
Oh.
Maybe not.
Yeah, probably. Oh my god, this is like the pear phone from iCarly.
Oh, that's fine. They're both there. See that? I just zoomed out. So second
different?
calc, choice 5, enter, enter, enter.
What? How do you do that? Wait, what did you do? Can you just show
Second
me again?
calc. Hit
Second-
second calc, choice 5, enter,
Okay.
enter, enter.
Okay.
Okay, clearly we need to do one more.
Yeah.
Okay, last one.